All right, RVers and YouTube, welcome back to the Beckley's RVs channel. I'm Mikey B. Today we're going to show you the MAV by Momentum. You all know Momentum, the industry-leading toy hauler. It's made by Grand Design. This little brother of the Momentum, ain't nothing little about it. It's big features. We're going to do first impressions today. Before we get into it, don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up, comment below on anything on this that you see today. We'd love to answer your questions, and smash that subscribe button. Let's go take a peek at the MAV by Momentum. So little brother of the Momentum, the MAV, we're outside in this ginormous awning. Nothing little about it. 19-foot patio awning to be able to throw all kinds of my stuff underneath. Throw the picnic table, throw the kids, whatever. You could even pitch it if you want in case the sun's coming over. Should give you a little shade. But what I love also about it, there's nothing little about the functionality of my living space during the day. We've got a ramp door on the back with the patio. Come check it out. And there you go, guys and gals. Full-on party mode. Inside the garage area, nothing little about the features of the MAV, little brother to the Momentum. Got a full-on garage that has a bunch of capabilities to it. By night, we have 3 queen beds in this sucker. We've got the front bed, the top bunk bed, and the bottom bunk bed. Transition into day mode. Nice relaxing dinner area, maybe have some people over for some drinks, kind of chill out, or garage mode. Now we've got full-on garage mode to bring along all my fun, speedy, racy toys. The MAV, little brother to the Momentum, nothing little about the garage. We have a full over 13-foot space from the garage door to the refrigerator, but more importantly, a lot of toy haulers don't maintain the width all the way through. We've got the width here, but moving all the way back to that refrigerator, I've got over 7 feet. But more importantly, nothing little about this stat. I have 4,000 pounds in carrying capacity. How much does your Razor weigh? How much does your ATV weigh? And more importantly, I've got some big money toys in the back. I have 11, count it, 11 tie downs stretch all the way through this garage floor. That's big time to secure my toys. A little brother to the Momentum, this MAV, there's nothing little about the off-grid capabilities. I've got a 12-volt refrigerator to keep all my beer cold out at the motocross races. But more importantly, solar panel on the roof and a solar charger up front, so that way I can extend and get that longer weekend out without having to run a generator. The MAV, the little brother to the Momentum, is big in the ergonomic features of this people-friendly floor plan. And most 27-foot floor plans and toy haulers, you lose something somewhere because of that darn garage. But this is people-friendly. Starting at the kitchen, I have full-on all kinds of storage, microwave, large stainless steel sink, 3-burner Furrion stove. Again, all this counter space to do some prep. But wait, that's not it. So moving past the kitchen, Nick, come on, you gotta check this out. I got a full-on bathroom. I have plenty of counter space for all my toiletries. I've got the toilet naturally, but I've got a nice big shower. Again, love the ergonomics in this to be able to maintain a nice, comfortable weekend. But again, that's not it. Come check the bedroom out. 60 by 80, again, full residential queen size, sleeping 2. If you got a bunch of sleeping capacities in the garage area, you could sleep 6, throw a couple sleeping bags on the floor, heck, you can have a big old party room. And lastly, what I love about their innovative spin on the wardrobe is they've moved this out, giving you full depth for your closet and your clothes hangers. And last but not least, that allows them to do a smart thing. Put the darn electric and USB 12-volt chargers at the head of the bed for your sleep apnea machine, cell phone charger, etc. So you don't have to roll out of bed to get to it all. That's big in my mind. I love this. All right, everybody, that's the wrap on the MAV, the little brother to Momentum that's price conscious but still rich, big on features. Don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up. Comment below on anything that you need some answers to. Be glad to answer your questions, and smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you next time.
For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.